Have you ever wondered how someone can live normally without a thyroid gland? That's actually what life is like after a total thyroidectomy. When a person has thyroid cancer, a very large goiter or pressure on the airway that makes it hard to breathe or swallow, doctors often recommend this surgery. The procedure is done under general anesthesia, so the patient sleeps through the entire operation. The surgeon makes a small incision low on the neck to expose the thyroid, which sits right in front of the windpipe. From there, the gland is carefully separated while protecting the nearby parathyroid glands, tiny structures that keep calcium levels balanced, and avoiding the recurrent laryngeal nerves that control the vocal cords. Once the thyroid is fully freed, it's removed in one piece. The incision is then closed with fine stitches or surgical glue, and the scar usually fades well into the natural crease of the neck. The whole surgery takes about 2 hours, and most patients are able to go home the next day. During the first few days of recovery, the neck may feel tight or slightly swollen. But the biggest long-term change is this. Because the thyroid is gone, you'll need to take thyroid hormone medication every day to keep your metabolism and energy levels stable. Did you know that many people think losing weight is all about dieting? Actually, there's a surgery that helps you lose weight without having to diet. It's called sleeve gastrectomy. This surgery involves removing about 75% to 80% of your stomach to help you eat less and control hunger. Why remove that part? Because it's the most expandable part of your stomach, where most of the food goes. And it also produces a hormone called ghrelin, which triggers hunger. During the procedure, doctors make a few small incisions and use a thin tube with a camera to remove the curved part of the stomach, leaving behind a narrow, banana-shaped sleeve. The whole procedure is done under general anesthesia and usually takes about 1 to 2 hours. After surgery, most people stay in the hospital for 1 to 2 days. Sleeve gastrectomy is irreversible, but it can lead to significant weight loss and help improve conditions like type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and sleep apnea. That said, always talk to a qualified doctor to make sure this is the right choice for you. What do you think life would be like if you could eat less and not feel hungry all the time? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Did you know? A lot of people think polyp removal is a complicated and scary procedure, but in reality, it's much simpler than you might think. Polyp removal is a quick medical procedure used to remove those small abnormal growths that can show up in places like the colon, stomach, or even the nose. First, the doctor will make sure you're comfortable. Then they'll use a thin, flexible tube with a small camera called an endoscope to gently slide into the area that needs to be examined. Once the polyp is visible on the screen, the doctor will use special tools attached to the endoscope, like a tiny wire loop, to grab the polyp at its base. Then, they'll carefully remove it, using a little heat to minimize bleeding. Most polyps are removed in just a few seconds, and many people don't feel anything at all during the process. The best part? Removing polyps early helps prevent future problems and keeps you healthier in the long run. So, polypectomy is actually way simpler than you might have imagined. If you've ever heard of polyp removal, which step would you want to know more about? Let us know in the comments.